In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your similarity score from TurnItIn for the assignments that you submit on Canvas. So first, you find the assignment that you're looking for. Open it up. You should see that you have submitted it. And look for the link right here that says Submission Details. Same place where you can check my comments, my feedback, and your grade. When you're here, just above your document, you should see this little percentage box. If you hover over it, it'll say similarity score. If you have very recently turned in your paper, like if you're checking this immediately, instead of a percentage right here, you might see a little image of a clock. But either way, that is a link to your similarity score. So I open that up. It brings me into TurnItIn's feedback studio. So here, what you'll notice is it highlights any sections that it is matched to another source, either another student paper that's kept in the TurnItIn database or some source that it found on the internet. If I have my overall score right here, which is 5%. So it's matched 5% of my paper to other sources. If I scroll down, I'll see various portions of the paper highlighted. So that just shows me which sections TurnItIn has identified as suspicious or closely matching another source. So I can look at it in a little bit more detail. I can hover over the number here. I can click on it, and then it will actually show me the text of the original source. And if I want, I can actually click on the link, and it'll take me to the article that it matched to. Another way I can look at this is over here where I've got the 5% match. If I click on this, it'll show me like how many sources it matched to, and for each one, what percentage of the paper was matched. You'll notice that this was source number 3, which comes from bbc.co.uk. Most of them are internet sources, but this one here is a university source submitted to University of Southern California. So because this is a student paper, they're not actually allowed to show me the text of the original student paper. But that just tells me that what I wrote here is very similar to something that another student turned in their paper. So this is what TurnItIn shows you. However, it's now up to you as a student. It's also up to me as a professor to look through this and use my own critical thinking to determine whether or not I'm worried that what TurnItIn has identified might be plagiarism. If not, I should be probably ready to justify to my teacher why I think that this is not plagiarism, even though it was marked by TurnItIn. Or if I am worried that maybe this could be considered plagiarism, I should go back, I should revise my paper. I might need to add quotation marks, I might need to do some more paraphrasing, or I might need to delete a certain section of my paper and replace it with something else. But one way or another, I should probably be ready to either justify what I have written here or be ready to revise my paper and maybe resubmit it. So that is how you can use the TurnItIn Feedback Studio to find your similarity score and to check yourself for plagiarism.